Well, I don't know. Is Bobby gonna try something here? I gave him a whole medley of assorted items here. I got vinegars here. He doesn't seem to be interested in. How about that? That's maple syrup. It's sweet. No? Okay. Well, then you got crackers and cherry tomatoes and lettuce, cereals and chips. Oh, come on, you should like something here. Oh, he's being shy. And then we got spices here, but gotta get my cupboard, my tabletop cleaned up here. You sure you don't want any of that? Well, there's the perfect pizza. I got all kinds of stuff on there. There's my perfect pizza. And here's my pizza cutter. Right, Bobby? You want some pizza? Well, we had a huge windstorm here yesterday. It was almost like a tornado, but today wasn't too bad. This is what I used to drink out of. So, put on the oven at 350. Well, if I want to... as somebody from England once said, this stove and oven burn hot. So turn it down. Okay, 350. I don't know. Oven General Electric. It still works fine from 1994. I'm interested in what kind of spices you like. I'm interested in knowing what spices you like. Just smell them. I'll let you hover above them. Look, we got chili, basil, Italian seasoning, oregano, turmeric, rosemary, bay leaves. I know he likes bread. I know he likes crackers. Chips once in a while. Oh, he loves these saltines. He loves salt. All animals love salt, even human beings who lick salt off of salt blocks in the field. Wow. That's for tomorrow. I'm going to have a stir fry, but I'm just checking out to see what else I have in my freezer. The fridge and freezer are all cleared out. I've purged 20% of everything. Things I don't need. You don't take any of it with you, do you, Buddha? Nope. Right, Bobby? Right, Bobby? Smell these spices. You smell it? Could be too overpowering for him. Chili, red pepper. Turmeric is supposed to be really good for you. Basil, nah. Rosemary, it's like eating pine needles. Bay leaves, I'm not sure. And bacon bits. And smoked paprika. What do you think? Not interested. I don't blame you.